listeners, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and simple shrimp scampi. I'm serving this with linguine, so it's going to be a full meal. You can serve it over rice, you can serve it over whatever you like, but I feel like shrimp scampi is very known to be eaten with linguine, and I actually happen to like it, so that is how I'm going to make it. Okay, this comes together extremely fast. It's such a quick and easy meal. Takes you 15 minutes tops. It's that fantastic. I have, probably can't see it, but I have a large pot with some water ready to go, because you need to start cooking your pasta so it's ready by the time the sauce is done, because the sauce comes together like this, super quick and easy. Okay, so let me show what you're going to need so we can go ahead and get started, because my water is already boiling. I have some linguine. You can use any type of pasta you like. I happen to like linguine for this recipe. You can use spaghetti, any type of pasta pretty much. You're gonna need, of course, some shrimp. You want them peeled and deveined. You're gonna need a little bit of parsley, butter, a little bit of white wine, lots of lemon juice. I feel like shrimp scampi, it's very lemony and it's very garlicky. You're gonna need some garlic, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and then sometimes I do like to add a pinch of hot pepper flakes. But I'm making this for a dear friend and she cannot eat any spice, so I'm leaving it out for today. Now, I'm going to season my pasta water very well. So you want, might look crazy, but you want a lot of salt, because it's the only chance you're going to have to actually season the inside of your pasta. So you want to season your water heavily, and we're going to add the linguine right in there. My linguine is going to take about 8 minutes to cook, so that's pretty much, the sauce takes like 10 minutes, so you want it to be ready by the time the sauce is ready. You also want to make sure you reserve a little bit of the pasta water, because we're gonna need it to finish off the sauce. Want to move it so nothing sticks. Okay, now we are going to work on our garlic. We want to mince the garlic very well. I mean, you can mince it however you like, but I like mine very nicely minced. So that's what I'm going to do. Going like this. Okay, garlic, it's done. Here's what we're gonna do next. You want to add extra virgin olive oil to your hot pan, and we are going to season the shrimp with some pepper and a little bit of salt. And now we just simply add the shrimp to the pan, and as we know, shrimp cooks very fast, so you gotta keep an eye on it. I'm only gonna cook it for about a minute on each side, and I have my heat on medium. One side is already pink. As soon as you see it getting pink, you wanna flip it. There we go. It's looking wonderful. They're nice and pink. Let me tell you, this just comes together so quick. Oops, someone's texting me. This comes together very quickly. Yep, my shrimpies are all ready to go. They're nice and pink. Okay. Now to the pan, I'm going to add my butter. Okay, right into the butter, we're going to add the garlic. And the garlic is only going to cook for about 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat to medium-low now, because I want to add in my white wine. We put it up to medium again. Now, we want the alcohol to evaporate completely. That's gonna take just about 2 minutes. And we're gonna add the lemon juice right in here as well. I hope you guys can see how quick and easy this is, and it's so good. Tastes just like restaurant style. It's absolutely delicious. Now we want the sauce to reduce a little bit because it's going to thicken a little bit, and while that's happening, we're gonna chop our parsley. I like my shrimp scampi with a lot of lemon juice and a lot of garlic and a lot of parsley. Okay, so the parsley's ready to go. The sauce is almost done, and my pasta should be almost tender. My sauce is ready to go. It smells really, really nice and fragrant. It's really delicious. My pasta, it's ready. I did reserve, remember, a little bit of the water. Gonna add it back in along with the shrimp, juices and all. We're gonna finish it off with a little bit of the pasta water. That's gonna make the sauce, the starches in the water is gonna make the sauce a bit creamy and delicious. And this is a very, very light pasta dish because we don't add any cream. We don't really add much to it. This is pretty much done. We're gonna add a little bit of the parsley right in. We serve this now. Look how beautiful and saucy and delicious this looks. This is incredible. It's just incredible. I'm gonna do it this way because it's gonna be easier. Let me tell you, absolutely perfect. We finish it off with a little more parsley. You can add some parm, but I do believe Italians don't eat any type of cheese with seafood pasta, and I see why. The fish flavor is so delicate that I find that the cheese just overpowers the flavor. So I like to serve it like this, and look how beautiful. I'm getting a linguine facial. Look how beautiful that looks. Let's give it a try. Well, we gotta get a little bit of shrimp. The pasta is cooked perfectly al dente. The shrimp is nice and juicy. It's not dry because we didn't let it cook for that long. The garlic and lemony flavor really comes through. It's just absolutely delicious. So I hope you guys give this a try. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.